In this video, we will be discussing some of the best foods to promote a healthy liver. Your liver is responsible for detoxifying your body, making it one of the most important organs for maintaining good health. By incorporating the right foods into your diet, you can support your liver's function and keep it in top shape. Join us as we explore the top foods for a healthy liver and learn how to take care of this vital organ. So let's start. 1. Garlic. Garlic is known for its pungent flavor and many health benefits, including its ability to support liver health. It contains compounds that can help activate liver enzymes responsible for flushing out toxins from the body. Additionally, garlic is rich in antioxidants that help to protect the liver from damage caused by free radicals. Adding garlic to your meals can be a tasty way to support liver health. 2. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It also contains antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and protect the liver from damage. Broccoli is also high in glucosinolates, compounds that can help increase the production of liver enzymes responsible for detoxifying the body. 3. Beetroot. Beetroot is a root vegetable that is rich in nutrients, including fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It is also high in antioxidants, known as betalains, which have been shown to protect the liver from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, beetroot can help increase the production of liver enzymes responsible for detoxifying the body. 4. Walnuts. Walnuts are a type of nut that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and other nutrients that support liver health. Studies have shown that walnuts can help reduce inflammation and improve liver function, making them a great addition to a healthy liver diet. 5. Olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy fat that is rich in antioxidants and other nutrients that support liver health. It has been shown to reduce inflammation and improve liver function in people with fatty liver disease. Use olive oil in cooking or as a salad dressing to help support liver health. 6. Turmeric. This bright yellow spice has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and its active ingredient, curcumin, is known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that curcumin can help reduce inflammation in the liver and prevent liver damage, making it a great addition to a healthy liver diet. 7. Citrus fruits. Lemons, limes, oranges, and grapefruits are all examples of citrus fruits, which are high in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that can help protect your liver from oxidative stress. Citrus fruits are also rich in flavonoids, which have been shown to improve liver function and reduce inflammation. In conclusion, a healthy liver is crucial for overall health and well-being. Including the foods in your diet can help support liver health and aid in detoxification. However, it's important to remember that diet alone may not be enough to treat liver disease or other liver-related conditions. Always consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have a history of liver problems or any other medical conditions. By working with your doctor and incorporating healthy habits into your lifestyle, you can help keep your liver functioning properly and improve your overall health. Thank you for watching.